In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the settings in Microsoft Outlook, specifically focusing on accessing the mobile devices section. Whether you're an Outlook novice or just looking to expand your knowledge, these steps will be quite handy for you. So let's dive right into the process. First off, you're going to want to open up Microsoft Outlook. This familiar blue icon should be easy to spot whether you're on your desktop or using a web browser. Once you have Outlook open, you'll find yourself looking at the main interface with your inbox and menu options. Here's where we're going to focus our attention, on the upper right corner of the page. Look for the Settings icon, which typically looks like a gear or cogwheel. Click on this icon to open up the Settings menu. Once you've done that, you'll need to select the option labeled General. This section houses a vast array of customizable settings that personalize your Outlook experience. Now within the General settings, scan through the options until you spot something called Mobile Devices. Click on this and it will redirect you to a new browser tab. It's important to note that while this is a standard feature, it might not be available in every region. If it doesn't show up, it could be due to regional restrictions or account settings. Once you're in the Mobile Devices area, you'll notice that it automatically generates a QR code for you. The QR code is a convenient way for you to link your mobile device with your Outlook account, making it easier to manage your emails on the go. QR codes are becoming increasingly popular for their ease of use, so even if you've never used one before, give it a try. They're intuitive and save a lot of time in managing connectivity between devices. And there you have it, all done. You've accessed your mobile device settings in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is especially useful if you're frequently out and about and need to check your emails without being tethered to your desktop. Keep this guide in mind as you explore Outlook's various settings, and feel free to share it with friends or colleagues who might also find this information useful. Remember that keeping your digital workspace organized can greatly increase productivity and ease of use, so don't be shy about diving deeper into those settings to customize your Outlook experience further. Whether it's setting up forwarding, signatures, or managing devices, a few clicks can ensure everything is tuned just to your liking. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides coming your way.